Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I dye my hair blonde. Let me just say I am no professional at all whatsoever. So I have probably been back to dark for almost 2 months now. And I decided I wanted to go back to blonde. Blondes have more fun. So first what you need is your powder lightener. You need some cream developer. They have cream developer and then they have a clear. Make sure it's cream and not clear. The clear one does not work and it's not as good. So yeah, and they have a 10, 20, 30, 40, and they actually have a 50 volume cream developer, but I went with the 40. And if you guys don't know, 10, it will pull the darkness from your hair really slow, and as you go up 20, 30, 40, it speeds up the process. So I got a 40. This is by Salon Care. This was at Sally's Beauty. This is a 32 ounce and it's only cost me $5, which is pretty amazing. I ordered the lightening powder off Amazon. I got 3 packs for $8, which is a good deal, but I could have got a better deal if I waited a little bit longer, but I did not because I really wanted to dye my hair. Also, you need some type of oil. I'm gonna get more into that in the video later as I go step by step, but you wanna get some oil. And then also you wanna make sure you measure your developer. I already measured my developer a little bit. I need 1 pack of the highlighter. You need 1 pack of the highlighter. And then on the back of it, it says to use a 10, 20, or 30 volume, 1.5 ounce. And I measured that out in this little bottle that I already had. So that's about 45 milliliters. So yeah, you need a comb and you need a bowl. Usually I would have a brush to brush this on my hair, but I got some gloves. I'm gonna use gloves, and I'm just gonna use the end of this pick to mix it together because I didn't have time looking for the thing. So yeah, so let's just jump straight into this video. But before we do, you already know what you gotta do. You gotta make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on the ring bell so you're not missing any more videos from me. Make sure you thumbs up the video, like, and share. So first, I'm just gonna go ahead and open up my pack of powder highlighter. And you may wanna have like a fan going or something. I don't need a fan going, but sometimes this could be strong. Right now I'm doing that because the powder's kind of floating. Then I'm gonna take all of this cream developer that I did measure. This is 1.5 ounces, which is equal to 45 milliliters. And I'm gonna pour that into the bowl. This is what it should look like. And now, before I apply that to my hair, I am gonna take my Shea Moisturizer. I'm gonna take a little bit and I'm gonna put that around my edges of my hair. And this is just to have some type of protectant around my edges. Cause you know, you wanna keep your edges, girl. You wanna keep your edges. So just rub it all around your edges. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start applying. And I'm gonna try to kind of take my comb to like get inside, maybe comb a little bit. Okay, now I have applied that all to my hair. I'm just gonna comb it a little bit, comb through it. Actually, I'm gonna take my pick and comb through it. I'm all done. Now I'm gonna put a cap on it. And I forgot I don't have no shower cap to go over my head, so I'm just gonna take a little bag. It don't matter. It all works the same, so I'm just gonna take a bag. There we go. I'm just gonna let this sit for 15 to 20 minutes. So I'll see you guys when I get back. Okay, it has been about 20 minutes. I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna go rinse my hair and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I went ahead and rinsed that out, and now I just put a second coat off camera because it was pink, and I'm thinking that it was pink because I dyed my hair brown, then I dyed it black, so it lifted all that pink out of there and everything. So this is my second time. I already applied it, and I will see you guys when it's done again. I have rinsed out the bleach for the second time. Once you rinse out the bleach for the second time, you do want to go in with Shimmer Lights shampoo. It says blonde and silver, and this kind of cancels out that golden, yellow, brassy, orangey color that's in your hair. Also, you can use Wella T18. It is a toner, kind of tones your hair. You can use it as well. This is not exactly the color I want, but it is blonde, and it's not, you know, yellow or anything like that too much. But I do recommend that you wait a little bit more before you keep bleaching and bleaching and bleaching and bleaching, just for the safety of your hair, your skin, your edges, period. So I'm gonna probably wait a week or 2 weeks or so until I actually bleach it again. Blonde enough to where it's cute, but I wanna go lighter. Like, I want my hair to be white. So yeah, this is how it turned out. So after I do that, I like to take some coconut oil or whatever oil you may have, and I take some Cantu Shea Butter Natural Leave-In Conditioner, because you want to condition your hair after doing this. And if you need to, do this twice. I'm going to do it twice just because I think coconut oil is bomb. Okay, next I'm going to go in with my leave-in conditioner. I just take about that much, and I put this everywhere as well. Okay, I'm all done. Real quick, I know that some people may get discouraged or feel like they shouldn't bleach their hair because it may damage it. Let's be 100% honest. Yes, you do risk a chance of your hair being damaged when you are bleaching it, but bleach it safely. Take steps. Make sure your edges are greased. Make sure you keep leave-in conditioner in it. Make sure you wash your hair, take care of your hair. No, I will not recommend you do this to kids' hair. I am no professional. This is just how I choose to do my hair, and this is what works for me. And I found that when I bleach my hair is fine, totally fine. I do have to, like I said, moisturize it more, but that's okay. So if you guys like this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you are, again, subscribed to my channel. Turn on the notification bell, because your girl is always uploading. I am very consistent. I have been very consistent, and I'm ready to reach that 1K. Follow me on all my social media platforms. It is down in the description. So as always, like I say in all my videos, I will see you guys later. Peace out.